Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a micro SD card at the Nokia 3310. Okay, what we have to do, at first we have to remove the back cover. So below you have a small notch, you go there with your fingernail and remove the back cover slowly. It's a bit hard and be brave, go with the nail like this to open it much better. Okay, and then it is open. Okay, sorry. Then remove the battery, press a bit here up, and then it comes out. Down you have the micro SIM card, and on the top you will place the micro SD card. You put it like this, in this direction. The contacts are below, this direction, and you just put it on the top, and that's it. Okay, it's fixed now and it will look like this. Okay, then you put back the battery, contacts are on contacts, zack, and put back the back cover like this, and then you fix it again. Voila, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And if you want, you can leave me a thumbs up or a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much, and maybe until next time. Ciao!